Hello, what's up, guys? How are you? My name is PM, and you are watching Blackmonster. I will tell you about how to design your own keyboard by 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 beautiful designing, and you will love it. Okay, you just have to do it. Is that first you have to install an app. It's about 18 MB app. You have to download it, and I will tell you in detail what to do and how it's work. Okay, just follow the steps, and what I tell you, you just do what I say. Okay, just start with here. Now go to Chrome, go to your Play Store. Okay, Play Store, and search Play Store. Go to your Play Store, and in search you write Kika keyboards. Okay, Kika keyboards. Okay, when you right click on keyboard, then this icon will show you what you have to do. Okay, I will tell you what you have to install. This app you have to install. Okay, just install this app, and now I will tell you what to do. First I will update this app. Okay, just see the update, and you get an amazing, beautiful, and much more beautiful. You know how to design it. I will tell you in detail what to do and how to design your own keyboard with your own style, like this. It's Kakashi, the enemy, and I like the enemy Malab character. I like this enemy character, so I made a keyboard of his picture. Do you like my keyboard? Tell me if you like it. Then subscribe my channel, like, and comment beautiful, and write a comment of beautiful 4 5 words. Okay, just do it. Go right now and click the subscribe button and notification all, please. And what have to do you now is that go to your Chrome, any picture you like about nature, games, sports, any picture you like, just search it. uh, I search about cars. Okay, just car cars. You have to written car HD wallpaper. Just like written cars HD wallpapers. When you write cars HD wallpaper, anything you write, and go to image. Now you have to do is just this download the picture you like, and I will show you how to do the next work. I think which picture I like. Wait, I will tell you. I am just seeing the picture. If I like some, then I will tell you how to do it. Wait, guys, wait. For example, I no, not this. Wait, guys, wait. I just tell you which picture I like, and I make it important. Okay, and just wait, guys, wait, little bit, wait a little bit, and then I will show you how to do it. Just choose a car you like. I like. Wait. You just have to wait. Sorry, okay. My favorite car is not Mustang. Mazda. My favorite car is I right Mazda car. Mazda car. I really like Mazda car. Okay. Now I have right the Mazda. Now I will install any picture which I like. For example, I like picture of car sports. It is a sports car. Okay, guys. Uh, I like I like, for example, which I like, bro. Which I like this. Okay, just I do this. Click on it, and you have to just tap it. Okay, tap. Now I am going to this. This is awesome. This is a beautiful car. Now I tap on it, and for a couple of seconds now download image. When you download the image, I will tell you now. Sorry, guys, this is my notification song. Sorry about that. And now you have to do is go to Kika keyboard. First, you have to allow the permission. It says, then you will start the app. Okay, now I will tell you what to do and how it's work and how will you made your own Kika keyboard. Okay, it's a beautiful app. Okay, guys. Now I will tell you about my keyboards which I made myself. Uh, these fours are my keyboard which I made by own self. This is a keyboard which I made by myself. See how beautiful is it. Now I will show you another one. See this one, and my one of the my favorite one is my second favorite one. See it, guys. Look the ball and web when it start to bubbles. Now I will tell you how to start it. Okay, just go to close page. Now you have to do it. Just click on this. Click on it. Now when you click the button, the icon will show you that if you like to made your own keyboard by this showing of the pictures, these showing pictures of the app. No, if you don't like it, just you have to download from Chrome or your picture from your gallery or anywhere from your gallery, from your computer, cars, any picture you like. Just do it from, if you don't like from here. Okay, I am just telling you, if you don't like from here, you have to, if I like my this car, okay, I apply it. Okay, now you first you have to do is paste it. Now it has been pasted. Now go to a button. I have go to a. Now you have to choose anything you like, eh, anything like in this. Okay, in this button, if any button you like, you just do it, click on it. If you click on it, you the icon will just show like this. Now you have to do is you can bright it or unbright it. Okay, low or high, anything you like. Now to fonts, if you any font you like, my favorite font is this, which is apply automatically. If you like this one, any you like font. Okay, if you like this one, so it's okay, you like it, I don't have interfere in your, but I like this, it's my favorite font. Now go to stars, but you just have to do it, choose it, anything you choose, it will automatically, when you click the button, it will come out every button, anything. Just I like what I like, wait, I like football. Okay, sports. So I like sports. So this is sports car. So I like sports football. When you click this, look. When you click, the football come out. Now you have to do is go to back. Anything you like to, any sound you like to get on your keyboard. When you tap on the keyboard, just click on it. If you like the gun, okay, it will automatically get on the keyboard and see how it sounds like. Awesome sound, bro, it's an awesome sound. Now I will tell you another a thing about this app. If you purchase this app from the company, it will give you all the facilities you want. Okay, if you want the free one, then you will have the limited options. Okay, these limited options are okay, we don't want more. If you like this, you will be okay to get more update and update, new update, get new fonts, new pictures, new keyboards, everything. Now I will save this keyboard. Now I will tell you how it's work. Okay, it's just applied on my whole mobile system. Just see how if I type my name or my channel name, just say Black Monster. Here you go, guys, the Black Monster. Subscribe my channel, bell notification on, and like it, guys, and give me a beautiful comment. Okay, guys. Now I will cross. Yes. Okay. I have crossed this. Now I have to tell you how it's properly work. If you don't allow it, then it will not work or it will not save. Okay, you have to do, if you not allow in setting, then you, if you want to allow it, then go to setting and apps and notifications. When you go website notification and click on keyboard and permissions. When you go to permission and allow all of this, camera, contacts, location, storage, all of it, you have to on it, don't off. Okay, don't do like this, always on. Okay guys, this is it for today video. I hope you like my video. Better best of luck for next time. If you are new on my channel, subscribe, like my video. If you're watching, then good, you are a good man, good person. I am a gamer. Okay, so I made this. So first I made this keyboard, so I think I have to share with my friends or my youtubers or my subscribers. Okay guys, now today it's up for it, it's end for it now. It's Allah Hafiz to all of you. मतलब अल्लाह, अब मैं अब उर्दू बोलूँगा गाइस. नाउ आई विल स्पीक इन उर्दू. अल्लाह आपका अमी और नासिर हो. अल्लाह हाफिज़ गाइस. Wait guys, wait. Subscribe my channel first. Then I will tell you Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Subscribe my channel. Go quick and subscribe my channel, or I will don't give you another beautiful video. Okay guys, just go and subscribe my channel to get more and more videos of mine. Go subscribe it, and Allah Hafiz guys.